And moving on now, South African cities are amongst the wealthiest in Africa, and that's according to a review by AfrAsia Bank and New World Wealth. Now, Johannesburg tops the list with total wealth held in the city of $245 billion. Major sectors include financial and professional services, construction, as well as telecoms. The Egyptian capital, Cairo, is in second place with $140 billion. Thriving businesses include real estate, construction, and financial services. Another South African city to make the cut is Cape Town, with total wealth of $135 billion. Real estate, financial services, retail and tourism are key income generators there. Now, Lagos in Nigeria is in fifth place with total wealth of $120 billion, followed by Kenya's capital, Nairobi, with $95 billion.